It is this keen and watchful eye of a Kenya that is indicative of Luils Moreno Ocampo's relentless pursuit to address Kenya's slow pace to reforms, especially those that address the post-poll violence and the need for justice for those deemed perpetrators of the 2007 meltdown. And it is with this severity that the International Criminal Court prosecutor continues to address the Kenyan situation. There's this press video conference from the seat of the International Criminal Court, giving the Argentine lawyer a forum to address the country's slackened pace in the creation of a local special tribunal and the need for justice for victims of the post-election violence.
I will request to the judges of the International Criminal Court to open an investigation, and that is the process established by the Rome Treaty, which is a global coalition to control massive atrocities.
His press conference coming just a day before his meeting with the pre-trial judges at the ICC to prove reasonable basis for why Kenya should be Hague's next big agenda. All fingers remaining crossed as he argues a case for Kenya that, if passed, will finally see the names of those suspected to be behind the violence finally revealed and prosecuted, following representations and testimonies by post-poll victims.
I hope that the investigation of the International Criminal Court, if the judges decide to do it, will help Kenya to overcome this problem.
But even with this glimmer of hope, concerns remain, especially among the victims who remain fearful of the consequences of testifying. Concerns Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister says are yet to be addressed under the law.
I'm hoping the Honourable Attorney General will bring forth to Parliament before it breaks for Christmas the necessary amendments that he says have been agreed in order to raise the unit, the Witness Protection Unit established under the law, to up to speed. The purpose being to be able to offer sufficient safeguards for witnesses.
Ocampo's agenda for Kenya seemed to fast-track the push to end impunity, a push by a man who is on record saying that Kenya will be a world example on managing violence. Evelyn Wambui, KTN Prime.